Hey guys, welcome to my videos. So guys, in this video I'm gonna trim some tree branches using this reciprocating saw, which the high blade like 250 240 blade, and I'm gonna see if it really works. So as you see, some of the portion of the tree is coming on my side and is interfering in this what do you call, canopy. So I'm gonna cut. So when you make a cut, one thing I would tell you for sure, that first of all, secure yourself, like your eyes must be protected, okay? Because when you cut something like wood or something, it generates a lot of sharp particles, minute particles, and if it's not protected, it could fall into your eyes and that could be dangerous. And then you should have to grip also, because right now I'm using just one hand. So what I'm gonna do, from one hand I'm gonna hold the branch, and from second hand I'm gonna make a cut. Okay, I'm gonna see if it really works or not, and I'm gonna pull those top ones also, and I'm gonna do it, and then I'm gonna show you guys. So I was able to cut some over there, as you can see. So you have to hold, like, firm is important, like one hand if you can hold, from other hand you can cut. And yes, grip should be fine, eyes must be protected, hands should be protected too, and then yes, it can be done. So thanks for watching guys, and please subscribe to the channel. Thank you.